Recently, I've launched a new platform. It's called the PolicyWatcher, and I want to talk about that just a bit more. First, why I have shared this graph on LinkedIn, the policy update of Anthropic. Now, Anthropic is just a case, but my topic was we cannot anymore think about just simple wording from a policy update to another. We need to go deeper. This is an example. A policy update, it's a paradigm change for the governance and is affecting in different way the country where you are. So PolicyWatcher is one of the answers. Transparent, explainable, and of course free. You can use it. There is no data collection at all, just your email if you wanna share it for the subscription to the alert, and nothing more, nothing less. Just an infographic about the alpha release. Now it's on the beta stage with many improvements, both security and feature side. Let's jump in. The website is policywatcher.online, and as soon you access to the site, there is a clear disclaimer. Let's agree and go in. One of the latest features I added is a simple welcome. So how to use it? Because many times we access to a site, we don't know where to start from. So here, PolicyWatcher show you a bunch of features, a quick welcome, limit and limitation, and the AI assistant. About the AI assistant I will talk later a bit more, but it's there and you can use it. So let's skip for the next time. The UI, on the bottom you see there are some other stuff. You can access the security policy, report any vulnerability you see, the privacy policy, of course, and the term and use and condition, the one you access on the beginning, because the first thing is safe is your awareness. So the UI, how it works, there is a toolbar on top with the main feature. The methodology is the first one I suggest you to go deeper, because explain you the how and the O. So how it works and why I chose some chose. Of course, this is my interpretation. This is my point of view. And you can agree or not, but the most important thing is you are aware why you see a result and not another. And in this section, you have all the information you can look at. Next is the how-to, the one we explored already. I kindly suggest you to look at the changelog, because you can see exactly what I did, but you can realize what's ongoing, what is on the roadmap. Of course, if there is anything important, happy to change it to put on track. Next, here, of course, here you can make a selection of the company. Why I chose this company? Look at the methodology. How it works, you can access on the page, you can be aware which version of the policy we are talking about, if there is any risk, the impact of the current policy against the regulation. And you can force a new scan Now in this case doesn't work. It's the beautiful of the live. Check later. You can share and you can export the document. You can go deeper each one of these. Next, there is a main table, a KPI metrics, where all the single KPI assigned to each one of the company is reported and compared. Now, as it's important to understand why you see a result and not another, you can go with your mouse on the evaluation and take some more information. Last scan is 20. There is a trigger every 7 days, a full refresh of all the sites. Another feature is the compare, where you can choose the platform and just see the posture. Of course, the impact change if you are individual or corporate, and according to the market. There is an export function, and I'm still working. There is an export function. You can import into whatever you want, and a new feature still ongoing. Doesn't work. For that I don't click. This is the about if you wanna reach me. And last but not least, the subscription alert. For example, let's do this with my email for testing. You can also avoid your name. You can put whatever you want, I don't care. Less information you share, better it is, generally speaking. You select what you want to have subscribed with, and you should receive an email. Oh, perfect. Where you have the information, the subscription, and how to unsubscribe from this service. Thanks for watching. If you wanna contribute, the doors are open. Take care.